mag-ayos ako ng bahay ng pusa, guys, kasi itong pusang to, pasaway na to. Ano, yung higaan niya, ang dumi na, tapos sabi ko pag labahan ko doon sa sa washer. Last time kasi naglaba ako doon, ang daming buhok ng pusa. So ang hirap tanggalin, tapos sabi ko, na lang, ito na lang yung aking ayusin, aray. Ito na lang. Ayusin ko para may siya, may bahay siya o higaan. Kasi yung namin, ay yung higaan niya, madumi na siya, tapos ayaw kong labhan doon sa washer namin kasi yung mga buhok-buhok hindi kagad matatanggal. Ito, sa sana to yung sa mga stray cat sana to sa likod ng bahay namin, binilhan namin siya. Sila 3 bahayan kasi marami na sila doon. 8 na ata sila, so binilhan namin 3 ganito. Pero nung nilagay namin doon, yung 2, hindi nila ginamit, guys. Sayang lang yung pera na binili nito, tapos di nila ginamit. Doon pa rin sila pupunta sa sa sirang sasakyan. Doon sila nagtatago pag nagtatago or basta pupunta lang sila dito pag pag kainan na. So itong isang natira, i-install natin para patulugan natin sa puno na po. Huh?
Okay, let's get a cat.
Gonna make the cat the house.
Oh, cat house.
Yeah.
We made cat. We made a cat. I was fixing the house. Cat's house.
Gonna fix the cat's house.
Cat's house.
You wanna help? You wanna help, mommy?
Okay.
Fix the cat's house.
Okay, it's cat's house.
Yeah.
Ay.
Jojo's cat's house.
Out.
Oh no, what is he doing? What is Jojo doing? May Jojo, it's your house, Jojo. Okay, over there, go over there.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This minute is Jojo
So,
house.
tingnan nyo, guys, parang bahay na rin siya.
Jojo house.
Ano lang,
There.
yung sa gilid niya, yung na-attach lang siya, Dito. Ayan.
Your house.
Ah,
That's your house.
That's Jojo's house.
Jojo
O,
house.
ayan. Parang bahay
Here.
na siya, guys.
Look over here.
Okay.
It's a house.
Now we need to put the floor. We need to put the floor first.
Okay,
There we go.
Okay, put her in here.
There, that's the floor.
Or
Okay. Here, Jojo's
Okay,
house.
house.
Okay, here is the meron din siyang pag guys,
let's
pag
get
ilagay
the
mo.
house. Bronca, wait a minute. Bronca,
Ito.
fixing.
Saan
Mommy's
niya
fixing.
pinili? There we go.
The house. Where'd it go? He's in there. Look, he's in there.
In there. Hey, he got a house now.
Okay, it's
Oh, okay, leave him alone. Look, can I see him? No. Can I see him? Hi, Jojo. Okay, wait a minute.
Jojo.
Hi, Jojo.
Jojo.
Come here, Jojo.
Yeah.
Oh, don't. Oh.
It's Jojo. It's Jojo, Mom.
Jojo, where are you? Here,
Yes.
Jojo. Okay. That's his door. Leave him there. Leave him in there. He know what to do.
Jojo's in the door. Jojo's in the door, Mom. Jojo's in the door. Wait a minute, this gets stickers in the house.
So, nung nilagay namin yung 2 doon sa sa labas nung nakaraan na winter, binili
Stickers in
namin
the house. Mom, stickers in the house.
Nili namin yung para sa winter. Para hindi sila malamigan doon din sa labas.
Stickers
Ay, naku, ayaw nila guys. Iba talaga pag straight cut.
Sticker out. The skin.
So, bigay na lang namin to sa isang pusa kasi itong
house.
pusa na to, straight din yan siya guys. Pero, parang naano siya.
He's hiding.
Ha?
Yeah, hiding. He's hiding.
Okay.
Let's go in there. What? The house? What can he get in the house?
Straight cut din yan siya guys. Pero, nung pinanganak yan siya,
Get in
akala,
there.
kasi yung mata niya, yung hindi. Yung mata niya,
What can once again?
parang hindi makikita, yung parang nakapikit lang. Tapos,
Go in there.
binuha ko siya, tinignan ko. Ay, ano pa pala. Ganun pala talaga pag bagong panganak lang. Yung mata nila nakapikit pa. Tapos hanggang na lumaki na siya.
Go in the house.
Napaka niya sa mga tao dito sa amin. Yung napaka-sweet niya.
Bobby.
Sa lahat ng sila doon na straight cut, yung first doon, yung pinakamama talaga si Cookie tawag namin.
Bobby.
Ano siya,
Cat's going in the house.
siya lang yung
It's in the cat.
malapit sa amin na hindi takot sa tao. Tapos ito, kaya hinampo na yan ng aking asawa. Kasi ang ano niya, ang cute niya.
Cat in there.
Hindi siya yung parang feral tawag doon, yung wild talaga na cat.
Stuck in
Na
there.
cat. Kaya
And he's
dito na yan siya. Labas-pasok na yan sa bahay tsaka sa garage.
Smile with the cat.
Smile with the cat. Hi,
Smile.
Jojo.
It's okay. Okay. What?
Okay, that's it for today.
Looking.